about yourself and you know what you want. It comes with dedication, it comes with consistency. You become good at it when you are consistent in life. You're not good at a subject, practice consistently, you'll be good at it. One advice, read a subject 1 hour per day. Any subject, pick up a subject, read regarding it 1 hour per day. In 3 years, you will be guaranteed an expert in that particular subject. Expert in that subject. Focus. Don't be distracted by things. Oh, video देख रहा हूँ. अरे assignment करा था, message आ गया, message देखा, Snapchat खोला, ये देखा, TikTok देखा, Alice बर्थडे की वीडियो हैं? Constant distraction, constant distraction. You are being bombarded with information. You are being bombarded with information. For that reason, you lose focus. Don't be distracted by this unnecessary content. हमारे पास यही है. चाइना ने 3 steps लिए हैं अपनी generation को सेव करने के लिए social media से. What? Number 1, they will have social media time from 10 a.m. till 10 p.m. Why? Social pressure नहीं होगा. मेरे दोस्त क्या कर रहे हैं? मेरे दोस्त social media पे क्या करें? They will have a discipline in their life because they will sleep early, they will sleep on time, they will be more focused. Their screen time is going to decrease. The knowledge that is being bombarded will be filtered as well as they will have a balance. Because young minds, plain minds, उनको कोई आके कोई भी information consistent. If you've read the book, The Tipping Point, they say that if you are consistent, वो कहते हैं ना कि आपको अपनी वाइफ से कब प्यार हुआ? You never realize when you fall in love because you were consistent in investing in that relationship. आपको पता नहीं होता कि आपकी फिजिक कब बनी because you were consistent in being able to work for it. You don't get results just because you brush your teeth the very first day. You don't get results just because you spend 1 hour the very first day in the gym. You are consistent, you were consistent, and eventually you were able to acquire certain result. You need to be consistent in your life in what you want, dedicated to be able to tell you when the world tells you that you can't do it, when everybody tells you you can't do it, when everybody tells you that nobody's done it, you do it because you want to do it, you know, you're sure about yourself and you know what you want. It comes with dedication, it comes with consistency. You become good at it when you are consistent in life. You're not good at a subject, practice consistently, you'll be good at it. One advice, read a subject 1 hour per day. Any subject, pick up a subject, read regarding it 1 hour per day. In 3 years, you will be guaranteed an expert in that particular subject. Expert in that subject. Focus, don't be distracted by things. Oh, video देख रहा हूँ. अरे assignment करा था, message आ गया, message देखा, Snapchat खोला, ये देखा, TikTok देखा, Alice बर्थडे की वीडियो हैं? Constant distraction, constant. Because with the word lost comes hopelessness. And I feel that given the resources, you would do wonders. But unfortunately, what we basically try to convey to our current generation is कि तुम्हारी जिंदगी में बलाएं आ रही हैं और तुम उसको संभाल नहीं सकते. What I personally believe is जिस तरह से आप कोई वीडियो गेम खेलते हैं और हर स्टेज के एंड में एक बड़ा मॉन्स्टर होता है, एक बला होती है, and you try again and again and you get killed at times, but you try again and you be able to overcome that monster or your bala and then move on to another level. That is how life is. You will be facing a lot of monsters in your life. That monster is going to be in the in terms of the image that we need to keep up with your family, or the image that you need to keep up in front of your friends or the loved ones, or battling your inner conflicts, battling against the very odds which you want to do as like you want to carry on with your passion, but society tells you otherwise. मैंने जिंदगी में एक चीज सीखी है because I was doing my bachelor's in computers. I hated it. I'm sorry, it's not my thing. Because my heaviest side, being an extrovert, I hated it because I was doing it because of the fact that my family was forcing me to do it. मेरी family मुझे force कर रही थी, तो मैंने कर लिया. As soon as I crossed 3 थी, ये मैं हटा ही देता हूँ, मेरी आवाज काफी loud है. हर नबी को एक wish दी गई थी और अल्लाह उसको नहीं रिजेक्ट करेगा. और हर प्रॉफिट ने वो विश इस दुनिया में इस्तेमाल कर ली, यूटिलाइज कर ली। प्रोफेट सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया मुझे भी अल्लाह सुब्हानहू तआला ने वो विश दी है, लेकिन मैंने उसको बचा के रखा है अपनी उम्मत के लिए। मैं इसको क़यामत के दिन इस्तेमाल करूंगा। अपने माँ बाप को मांग सकते थे, अपने लव्ड वंस को मांग सकते थे, हर चीज मांग सकते थे, लेकिन उन्होंने क्या मांगा? आपके लिए और मेरे लिए। लेट्स नॉट डिसअपॉइंट हिम गाइस, because he was not doing it for his own sake, he was doing it for you and me, because this world is going to tell you this world is everything. This is not everything. You were not meant to be an average ummah, you were meant to be for Jannatul Firdaus, because Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam ने बोला कि मांगो, खाली जन्नत नहीं मांगो, Jannatul Firdaus मांगो। And you are not meant to make this world a living hell. You are meant to uplift other people, uplift other nations, because you are the best of ummah, and you need to prove yourself to be a best of ummah. Not just because you're born in it, but you are meant to do great things because you have a connection with Allah like no other nation has. So don't. You have to stop yourself so that you can walk with someone
in a halal manner, of course.
ठीक है, ये नहीं बोलना अजी भाई कैसे छोड़ दूं, 3 साल का प्यार है और 3 साल के प्यार को लेजिटिमाइज, और उसमें थोड़ा जाहिर बात है सामने दाढ़ी वाला है ना, तो तड़का लाने के लिए अजी भाई मुझे तहज्जुद को उठाती है, फजर को उठ के हम लोग नमाज पढ़ते हैं, दूसरे को उठाते हैं, और पूरे सेमेस्टर चल रहा होता है कि What are you doing? Don't be judgmental, dude. बहन की तरह है मेरे। असाइनमेंट दे दीजिए, आइए असाइनमेंट ले लीजिए, ये आपकी असाइनमेंट होगी, 6 महीने बाद हमारा निकाह है प्लीज। Stay focused, stay focused। बहुत दफा प्यार तो होता है, बिकॉज क्या था, फारिग बैठे हैं, स्क्रॉल करना है, देखना है, मैसेज ओपन करना है, नहीं अभी नहीं कर सकता मैसेज, और फिर बात बहुत यूनिवर्सिटी में भी देखना है, क्लास बंक भी करनी है। कितनी एब्सेंस अलाउड है? 7। वाह। तो और फिर बाद में बोलेंगे कि स्टॉप भी करेंगे, दूर से भी देखेंगे, बातें भी करेंगे, और फिर बोलेंगे प्यार तो होना ही। What is the shortest way towards a man's heart, a person's heart? Eyes। इब्न कय्यिम कहते हैं आइज, अपनी नजरों को कंट्रोल करना है।